Hello students, we will do the lesson Madam Rides the Bus, written by a Tamil writer, Valli Kanan, and translated from Tamil into English by K.S. Sundaram, illustrated by famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. Madam Rides a Bus is a very sensitive story about an 8-year-old girl, her first bus journey into the world outside her village. It is also introduction into the mystery of life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our actual understanding of it. Valliamai or Valli was a curious 8-year-old girl who had no playmates. Her favorite pastime was standing in front of the doorway of her house, watching what is happening on the street outside. She was fascinated by the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour. She had an overwhelming desire to ride in the bus. She picked up small details about the bus journey through the conversations of people. Valli's mother used to take a short nap daily in the afternoon. It was thus an ideal time to embark on her first journey by bus, without her mother ever coming to know about it. Valli's confidence and assertiveness made the conductor address her as Madam. In the bus, an old woman inquired about her house, which Valli did not like. On her way to town, the bus started to crawl because of a young cow running in the middle of the road. Valli found it funny because the more the driver honked the horn, the faster it galloped right in front of the bus. Valli gaped in amazement at the big, bright-looking shops in the market and big crowds in town. Valli did not get down in the town, and rather she bought a ticket for the return journey by the same bus. Conductor offered to get a cold drink for Valli from a nearby stall, which she firmly refused. On the return journey, she saw the same cow, bleeding and lying dead on the road. Valli was saddened. Her enthusiasm was dampened. The sight of the dead cow haunted her. She reached her village at 3:30, but no one came to know about her trip by bus.